All right, throw it for Kona.
No. No.
Throw it. How do you get it back? How do you get it back? What do you say?
Oh, it's a bad.
No, throw it to her. She's gonna get it. She got it. What do you say? Drop it. She dropped it. Go get it. Throw it. What do you say? Thank you. Say drop it. Ethan, say drop it. What, you guys both give up? All right, throw it. Kona, go get it. Kona, get it.